in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Wow. See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way. Wait, I need a really important thing. I'd like to say hello, goodbye, and later.
I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait! Don't go, please!
You could try this way.
Since this falls we dread, we're painting the roses red.
Don't tell the queen what you've seen.
Or see, that's what we said. But we're painting the roses red. Not green.
Her Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen always wins.